Hello everyone, hope you have an amazing day and welcome to my new blog. So today we discuss about what is software project management or SPM. So software project management SPM is a proper way of planning and leading software projects. So it is a part of project management in which software projects are planned, implemented and monitored also and controlled. Need for software project management. Software is a non-physical product. Software development is a new stream in business and there is very little experience in building software products. So most of the software products are made to fit clients and a requirement. So the most important is that the basic technology changes and advances so frequently and rapidly that experience of one product may not be applied to the other one. So such type of business and environmental constraint increases risks in software development. Hence it is essential to manage software projects efficiently and it is necessary for an organization to deliver quality products, keep the cost within the client's budget constraint and deliver the project as per schedules. So hence in order software project management is necessary to incorporate user requirement along with budget and time constraints also. Now software project management consists of several different type of management. Now we discuss in detailed. Number one, conflict management. So conflict management is the process to restrict the negative features of conflict while increasing the positive features of conflict. So the goal of conflict management is to improve learning and group results, including efficacy or performance in an organizational settings. Properly managed conflict can enhance group results also. Now risk management. Number two, risk management is the analysis and identification of risks that is followed by synchronized and economical implementation of resources to minimize, operate and control the possibility or effect of unfortunate events or to maximize the realization of opportunities. Now, number three, requirement management. So, it is the process of analyzing or prioritizing or tracking and documenting requirements and then supervising change and communicating to pertinent stakeholders. So, it is continuous process during a project also. Now, change management. Number four, change management is a systematic approach for dealing with the transition or transformation of an organizational goals, processes, or technologies. So, the purpose of change management is to execute strategies for effecting change, controlling change, and helping people to adapt to change also. Now, number five, software configuration management. So, software configuration management is the process of controlling and tracking changes in the software part of the larger cross-disciplinary field of configurations management. So, software configuration management includes revision control and the inaugurations of baselines also. Now, release management. So, release management is the task of planning, controlling, and scheduling the build in deploying releases. Release management ensures that the organization delivers new and enhanced services required by the customer while protecting the integrity of existing services also. Now, aspects of software project management. So, the list of focus areas it can tackle and the broad upsides of the software projects managements in details. Now I discuss about this. Number one, planning. The software project manager lays out the complete project's blueprint. So the project plan will outline the scope, resources, timelines, techniques, strategy, and communication, testing, and maintenance steps. So, SPM, software project management, can aid greatly here. Now, leading a software project manager brings together and leads a team of engineering, strategies, programmer, design, and data scientists also. So, leading a team necessitates exceptional communication and interpersonal and leadership abilities. One can only hope to do this effectively if one stick with the core SPM principles. Now, execution SPM comes to the resource or rescue here also as the person in charge of software projects. If we'll versed with SPM agile methodologies, will ensure that each stage of the project is completed successfully. Now, measuring projects progresses, monitoring to check how terms, functions, and generating status reports are all part of these processes. Now, time management. So, abiding by a timeline is crucial to completing deliverable successfully. So, this is especially difficult when managing software projects become changes to the original project's charter and are unavoidable over time. To assure progress in the face of blockages or changes, software project manager ought to be a specialist in managing risks and emergency preparedness. These risk mitigations and management is one of the core tenets of the philosophy of SPM, that is uh, software project management. Now, budget. Software project managers, like conventional project managers, are responsible for generating a project budget and adhering to it is closely as feasible, regulated, regulating spending and reassigning funds as needed. So, SPM, software project management, teaches us how to effectively manage the monetary aspect of projects to avoid running into a financial crunch later on in the project. Now, maintenance. Software project management emphasizes continuous product testing to find and repair defects early. So, tailor and end projects to the need of the client and keep the project on track. The software project manager makes ensuring that the product is thoroughly tested, analyzed, and adjusted as needed. Another point in favor of SPM, that is software project management. Now, planning, execution, monitoring, control. Now, downsides of software project management. So, numerous issues can develop if a software project manager lacks the necessary expertise or knowledge. So, software project management has several drawbacks, including resource loss, scheduling difficulty, data protection concerns, and interpersonal conflicts between developers, engineers, and stakeholders. Furthermore, outsourcing work or recruiting additional personnel to complete the project may result in hefty cost for one's company. Number one, costs are high. So consider spending money in various kinds of project management tools, software, in project service or services. If once engage in software project management strategies, these initiatives can be expensive and time consuming also to put in place because your team will be using them as well. They may require training. One may need to recruit subject matter experts or specialists to assist with a project. Now, depending on the circumstances, stakeholders will frequently press for the inclusions of features that were not originally envisioned. All of these factors can quickly drive up a project cost. Now, number two, complexity will be increased. Project software management is a multi-stage complex process. Unfortunately, some specialists might have a propensity or propensity to overcomplicate everything, which can lead to confusion among team and lead to delay in project completions. Now, they may also become dogmatic and specific in their ideas, resulting in a difficult work atmosphere. Projects having a larger scope are typically more arduous to complete, especially if there is not a dedicated team committed completely to the project. Members of cross functional teams may lag far behind their daily tasks, adding to the overall complexity of the project being worked on. Number three, overhead in communication. Recruits enter your organization when we hire software project management personnel. So this provides a steady flow of communication that may or may not match the company's culture. So as a result, it is advised that you maintain your crew as small as feasible. The communication overhead tends to skyrocket when a team becomes large enough, when a large team is needed for a project. So it is critical to identify software project manager who can conduct effective communication with a variety of people in organization. Now, lack of originality. So software project managers can sometimes provide little or no space for creativity. So team leaders either place an excessive amount of emphasis on management processes or impose hard deadlines on their employees, requiring them to develop and operate code within stringent guidelines. So these can stifle innovative thought and innovations that would be beneficial to the project when it comes to software project management. So knowing when to encourage creativity and when to stick the project plan is crucial. So without project management personnel, an organization can perhaps build and ship code more quickly. However, employing a trained specialist to handle these areas, on the other hand, can open up new doors and help the organization achieve its objectives more. So, this is the video, my friends. So thanks a lot for watching, and my humble request is, as I always said, that if you like my educational channel, please subscribe, comment and share my channel. Thanks a lot.